Moment of inertia. Before going to the moment of inertia, let's know the what is the moment of force. The moment of force is defined as an if a body is acted upon by a force which is at a distance of x distance, then the moment is given by force into perpendicular distance. This is called the moment of force. If the moment of force is again multiplied by the perpendicular distance, we got the moment of force. It is also called as second moment of force. Here the moment of inertia is force F into x square is the mi, moment of inertia x square. In generally we use, instead of force, we use area or mass of a figure or a body is taken into consideration. Moment of inertia of an area. Let's take an area which is in a plane, xy plane. Now let's know the how to find the moment of inertia of an area. Let's divide the given area into small parts like 1, 2 and 3. The centroid of this area, which is a distance of r1 from the x-axis, and the second part is r2 and second part is r3. So we know that the moment of inertia of a body is area into distance square. Now moment of inertia I is equal to area of first means area into r1 square plus area of second part a2 into r2 square plus area of third one into r3 square, so on. Now we got that the here if we divide the body in number of parts, so we can see that the plus signs, so we can write summation of a into r square. This is called as the moment of inertia of an object or a figure in a plane. The units of the moment of inertia, units of mi, is here area is meter square, here r is meter square. We got meter per 4. If you take the area in mm square and r in mm square, we get the power 4. Here square into square. If you take the centimeters, we get the centimeter power 4.